Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I want to show you a neat idea. So a while back, I showed you this spooky maze game, and it goes like this. Press the green flag, starts playing some spooky music. And we've got it so that our sprite has basically a lantern, and you can't see the walls until you get really close to them. Okay, so I already showed you that in another video, but I want to show you a neat idea that's kind of like this. Alright, so the project that I want to show you is by Scratch username Abogunschutz, and it is the project titled Birdwatching an Interactive Scene. So press the green flag, got nice relaxing bird sounds, and we've got binoculars. So this sprite is basically following our mouse and makes it so we can click on a bird, and we can learn more about that particular bird, and then when we click again, it goes back. Okay, so this is a lot like what I did in my code to make it so we had a spooky maze game. But this one makes it so you can learn about different birds and whatnot. So if we actually go inside of the project, we can see that we have our binocular sprite, which is a very large sprite. And the reason why we want to have it very large is because we want to make sure that if we move to a corner of the screen like this, we don't accidentally make it so we can see right behind it, okay? So very important that this is a very large sprite, so it covers up everything. And the code is just simply making it so that it's going to the mouse or Y position divided by 2. So pretty easy, right? Let me zoom in so you can see it a little bit better. So that's the code for this. Now what's really important when you're creating a project like this is you want to make sure that it's in front of the other sprites. And you can do that using a look block, because if it's behind everything, like this, then it won't actually cover up your rest of your project pretty well. Although that's kind of neat as well. But anyways, so if you're going to create something like this, just make sure that it goes to the front, it shows, and that it follows your mouse or your character in some way. Pretty neat idea, right? Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.